Hi everyone, my name is Christian and I'm an English language teacher, and today's lesson is about the present perfect continuous, what is the structure and how we use it. So let's begin with the structure. So we need have or has plus been plus the verb ing. This makes the present perfect continuous. How do we use it? Let me give you an example. So I have been teaching for 8 years, or I have been teaching since 2016. So these are actions that started in the past, they continue to now, and they are usually unfinished. So I am still teaching, I'm still a teacher. It started 8 years ago and it continues to now. We also use it to talk about repeated actions that started in the past and continue to now. For example, I have been playing tennis since I was 6 years old. So I've been playing tennis for a long time now. So I have been playing tennis since I was 6 years old. Technically, right now, I'm not playing tennis in this moment, but it's a repeated action. So I play tennis, I play tennis, I play tennis, I play tennis up to now. So usually these actions, they start in the past and they continue to the present. And that is the main use of the present perfect continuous. If you would like to learn more, please go to my website, which is www.conversably.co.uk. And please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.